So ayun, mga ka-cheater, kumusta kayo? Pasensya na po at medyo matagal tayong hindi nakapag-upload ng ating mga sagot sa CBT dahil na busy po tayo sa vetting inspection. Kasi po, nasa barko po ako ngayon. I am currently on board po. Pasensya na po tayo sa mga subscribers natin dyan na nag-aantay. So, ito na po yung request nyo. Shout out nga pala kay Lakwatcherong Marino Vlog dahil nag-request po siya para gumawa ulit tayo ng bagong vlog. Shout out sa iyo, sir. Ingat po dyan kung saan ka man, sir. So, sabi niya po kung pwede daw magawa naman ng bagong sagot sa mga Seagull CBT test. So, ito po. Gagawa po tayo ng bago para kay sir at sa mga subscribers natin dyan. So, ano kaya magandang topic dito? Itong all discharge monitoring equipment. Ito na lang topic natin ngayon. So, medyo konti lang to pero nakakatulong to sa inyo. So, first question is, are you allowed to discharge oil while at anchor more than 50 nautical miles from the shore? So, the answer is no, you are not allowed. Okay? Second question, for how long must you save the oil record book on board? Okay, for 3 years for all the engineers and especially for chief engineers. The record book should be 3 years on board to be kept. And for how long must you save the printouts from the ODME? Also 3 years. 3 years is the answer. And next question, how far from the nearest land do you have to be before you can discharge any oil waste or residue into the sea? 50 nautical miles. So that's the answer. And next question, what is the maximum instantaneous rate at which oil can be discharged into the sea? Okay, the answer is 30 liters per nautical miles. So you are only allowed to discharge 30 liters per nautical miles. Okay. Next question. What medium is used to calibrate the ODME or oil discharge monitoring equipment on board? The answer is freshwater. Okay. Freshwater. Next question. What regulation controls the discharge of oil into the sea? Okay, regulation. MARPOL regulations. Okay. Which is a next one. Which of the following items shall be recorded in the oil record book? Answer is ballasting of cargo tanks, failure on the ODME, maintenance of the ODME, and discharge of slop water to the shore facility. So you have 4 answers.
Oops. Nangangalahati na tayo, sir. So, baka naman pwede kayong mag-subscribe dyan, oh. Subscribe na kayo dyan, yung mga hindi pa nakasubscribe. Para naman ganahan tayo mag-upload ng mga videos, di ba? Pero yun yan, no? Dami ko pang labahan, no? Inuuna ko pa mag-upload para lang sa inyo. So, subscribe nyo lang po yan dyan. Okay na ako dyan. Thank you po, and okay. Next question tayo.
Next question. Which of the sea areas below are defined as special areas in MARPOL? So the special areas are Mediterranean Sea, Baltic Sea, Black Sea, and Red Sea. Second to the last question. Which water can be discharged into the sea without using ODME? Answer is ballast water from segregated ballast tanks. So only from segregated ballast tanks. If you don't have any segregated ballast tanks, you are not allowed to discharge any ballast from your ship. Okay? So malinaw po yun. Dahil pwede po tayo makulong dyan pag nag-discharge tayo. Next, the last question. Who must sign for each completed operation in all record book? Who will sign? Okay, this is very important. The officer in charge of the operation. Okay? The officer in charge of the operation, but usually on board. As of now, 2022, we have the signatories, which is Chief Engineer, Captain, the duty engineers are also signatory from the all record book. Okay, not only the officer in charge, but also the other engineers and captain. Okay. So, ayun lamang po ngayong araw na to. And kung meron po kayong request, you have any request na pwede nating i-upload sa sunod, mag-comment lang po kayo below at pipilitin po nating makapag-upload sa sunod nating video. Okay? So, sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe dyan, subscribe na po kayo para updated po kayo sa mga uploads ko dito na pwede pong makatulong sa inyo, hindi lamang po sa pag-aaral kundi sa mga exams nyo sa CBT, lalong-lalo sa mga nangarap maging seaman dyan at nag-a-apply pa lamang po. So, yun lamang po, and salamat po sa inyo and God bless. Safe sailing po sa inyo lahat. Nga pala po, mayroon na po tayong page sa Facebook at sa TikTok po. Marine Cheater din po yung pangalan natin. So please subscribe din po and follow.